Dear students, in the previous class we had started learning the story Our Runaway Kite, lesson 5, page 37. Let us recapitulate what we had learned in the previous class. Here, a little girl, Philippa, aged 11, is telling the story. Philippa, along with his brother Claude and his father, lived on the big Half Moon Island. There were no other children to play with them because on the island there were only 3 inhabitants, Philippa, Claude and their father, who was the keeper of the lighthouse. But now there are 3 more persons on the big Half Moon Island: Esther, Mimi, Dick. Esther is Claude and Philippa's aunt. Mimi and Dick are their cousins. How the family was reunited has been told by Philippa, and she says that the family reunion took place because of the kite. When it was winter, the sea water around Big Half Moon Island turned into ice, and then they left the island and went to the mainland. Again in spring, they came back to Big Half Moon Island. We are starting from that point, from paragraph 4. Look at your books. The funny part used to be that people always pitied us when the time came for us to return. Pitied. What is meant by the term pity? Pity means to have sympathy for, shohanubhuti thaka. People on the mainland had sympathy for Claude and Philippa. And Philippa says that this sympathy was something funny, something humorous, mojadar. Why? Why did the people have pity for Claude and Philippa? They said, we must be so lonesome over there with no other children near us. Lonesome. Lonesome means alone, ekaki. They said that Claude and Philippa had a very trying time. তাদের খুব কষ্টে কাটে because they had no other children to play with. Of course, Claude and I would have liked to have someone to play with us. Philippa does not deny that if there had been more children, it would have been better. It is hard to run pirate caves and things like that with only 2. Pirate caves is the name of a game. We know what is meant by the term cave. Cave means a hollow space inside a mountain, guha. Pirate means the robbers of the sea, সমুদ্রের ডাকাত, জলদস্যু. They are called pirate. So pirate caves is a game. Claude and Philippa imagined that they were pirates and they played. But only 2 pirates does not help to construct the game in a very effective manner, because pirates must be many in number. জলদস্যু অনেক থাকলে ভালো হয়. That is why Philippa says that it is hard. Hard means difficult. It is difficult to play pirate caves and games like that with only 2 children. But we used to quarrel a good deal with the mainland children in winter. But the problem is that if there are more children, there will be quarrel also. Quarrel means to fall out, jhagda kora. Claude and Philippa quarreled with the mainland children. So it was perhaps just as well there were none of them on the big half moon. So Philippa says that if children were not there on the big half moon, it was better because there was no quarrel. Claude and I never quarreled. He says that Claude and she were on the best of terms and they never fell out. To be sure, father didn't seem to have any relations except us. Relation means relative. Claude's father, Philippa's father, had no relatives except Claude and Philippa. তারা ছাড়া কোনো আত্মীয় নেই. This used to puzzle Claude and me. To puzzle means to confuse. What is meant by the term puzzle? Confuse. Claude and Philippa were confused. Why were they confused? Because father did not have any relation except they. Everybody on the mainland had relations. When they went to the mainland in spring, in winter, they found that the mainland children had many relations. They had uncles, aunts, cousins, and all these. Why hadn't we? Was it because we lived on an island? These questions came to Philippa's mind. These questions came to Claude's mind. Why did they have no relations? Was it because they lived on an island? We thought it would be so jolly to have an uncle, an aunt, and some cousins. Jolly means happy. They would have been very happy if they had uncles, aunts, and cousins, but they did not have any. Once we asked father about it, once Claude and Philippa asked father about it, it means why they did not have any relations. They asked father why they did not have any relations. But he looked so sorrowful that we wished we hadn't. But when the question was asked, Claude and Philippa's father looked very unhappy. She looked so unhappy that we wished we hadn't. Claude and Philippa were repentant. That they had asked the question, because the question had made their father very unhappy. He said it was all his fault. And Claude's father replied that they had no relations because it was his fault. Fault means blemish, dosh, eta tari dosh, je tader attiyo nei. Claude and I didn't understand what he meant. Claude and Philippa did not understand why their father said that they had no relations because of his fault. Tar doshei keno attiyo nei tara bujhte parlo. So Claude and Philippa were very much confused why father had said that. We have finished unit 1. Solve questions on page 39 and 40. Question number 1, 2 and 3. We will discuss it in the next class. Thank you.